I have been trying my best to get my hands on her Confessions by Latafa, and since Latafa is not making it available worldwide, thank you Paris Corner for coming through. What's up you guys? This is your wing lady and I'm back today with another beautiful video. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing great and I'm gassed today. I'm excited. I'm super duper excited. So today we get to unbox Taskeen Lactea Divina from the house of Paris Corner. The latest Taskeen, and you know me. You know that anything that has Taskeen written on it, I have to buy it. So I bought this one. But before we unbox this one, I have a few other perfumes that I wanted to share with you. You know, that's my job. I go and find all sorts of perfumes. I get tested. Then I come here with reviews for you. So let's review these 4 perfumes before we get to the unboxing. The first one today is Liquid Brun from the house of French Avenue Fragrance World. And I tell you right now that it is worth every single hype. Yeah, this is good. This is what I wanted Art of Nature 2 to be, but it wasn't. Beautiful, smooth, fluffy opening. Nothing stressful, nothing sharp, nothing jarring my brain. It is worth the hype. Before we go into the review, just know that it is worth every single hype. Liquid Brun opens up sweet, cinnamony, vanillic, and a bit fresh. Freshness in here is not sharp, is not crisp, is not bright, is mild. Vanillic, florals, freshness, cinnamon, and sweetness. So the opening is smooth. It sort of just gently eases you into the perfume. It's not sharp or anything, it's not cloying. It's sweet, it's vanillic, it's cinnamony, a bit of spices, a bit of woodiness. You don't get the woodiness initially. You get the woodiness after it has dried down. Okay, so the perfume just gently introduces you, into the fragrance circle. It just starts off so beautiful, so smooth, so gentle, like easing you. Nothing jarring. The soft girl, soft life. So it's smooth, it's vanillic, it's a bit floral, it's woodsy, then it's cinnamony. It's a beautiful scent. I get it. I get why it is hyped. Top quality perfume. The only thing is that it doesn't last as long as I would have loved it to last. It doesn't last as much as Art of Nature 2, actually. Frankly, if you were to compare the lasting power, Liquid Brun does not last as much as Art of Nature 2. Liquid Brun draws about 4 to 5 hours on your skin, and Art of Nature 2 does way more than that. Art of Nature 2 lasts you the entire day. This one does not last you the entire day. Let's give this 18 to 24 hours. That's literally the only thing bothering me about this one. But is it good? It is good. It is a complex, delicious, mesmerizing fragrance, and I really like it. I like it. You guys know that when I'm enjoying something or when I love something, I literally cannot hide my feelings. Liquid Brun is it. If you're thinking of getting it and you're thinking, oh, it's viral, it's hyped, it's viral, I don't know. Get it. It's smooth. It's smooth. It's smooth. And if you leave this down, if it macerates for a while, it's going to turn into something absolutely beautiful, delicious, and magnetizing. Just give it more time. It is good right now, but give it a bit more time to get the best out of this one. The next on the list is Fakhama from the house of Maison Asrar. Now you see this one, when I saw the bottle, frankly, I thought it was going to be an oriental, woody, ambery, spicy fragrance. Imagine my shock. Imagine my surprise when I put my nose to this and it smells sweet, fluffy, creamy, just like Ansam Gold. It is good. It is good. If you did not succumb to peer pressure and you did not get Ansam Gold and you have not tried Ansam Gold, try this one. Fakhama is sweet, it's fluffy, it's creamy, it's vanillic, it's musky, it's sensual, it's seductive. I've not actually tried any perfumes from the house of Maison Asrar. This is my very first one and I'm pleasantly surprised. Just imagine Ansam Gold with a bit more creaminess, like it is super creamy, it is vanillic, a bit more muskiness, and the sweetness has been toned down. This one is not so sweet, but it is giving. It is creamy, it is floral, it is sweet, not too sweet. It's not the kind of perfume that's like, oh my god, sweet, sweet. Just sweet enough to make it very pleasant. And vanillic and the musk in there, another sensual perfume. This will do for date nights, okay? I'm going on a date night. I don't know what to wear. I'm overwhelmed. I don't know which fragrance. Just grab this one. Grab this one and it will do the job for you. It's so pleasant. It's so cozy. It's welcoming. It's magnet. You know those kind of scents that make people want more of you. The addicting kind. Fakhama from the house of Maison Asrar. I cannot get over it. It makes me happy. It puts me in a mood, you know. It puts me in a mood. I cannot get over it. Okay, the lasting power. It does around 6 hours on your skin, okay? 6 hours conveniently on your skin. And on clothes, 24 hours and a bit more. I cannot really say it spends about 48 hours. 24 hours and a bit more on your clothes, okay? It will do you for the entire day though. Forget this left me. No, this does not leave you. It will do you for the entire day. But I cannot say about the second day. I cannot talk about the second day because when I smelt it on my clothes the second day, it was faint. I won't lie. It was faint. It will do it for the entire day. And if a fragrance does it for you the entire day, my sister, what are you looking for now? What are you searching for? This is good. It's making me happy. You see, it's putting me in the mood. I don't know how perfumes do this to me. They influence my mood. Fakhama from the house of Asrar. Highly recommended. The fourth one is El Dorado from French Avenue. El Dorado Extrait from French Avenue. The projection on this one, the sillage on this one, it is massive. Before I even get into the review, the sillage on this one. I wore this and I stepped into the room and my sister, I'll tell you what she said. Let's get right into the review. Ooh, delicious. If you like caramel in fragrances, if you like gourmands, perfumes that smell absolutely delicious, edible, that makes you want more, addicting fragrances, El Dorado Extrait is one of them. When I saw the bottle, I was thinking it's going to be a masculine woody scent. It is not. Your wing lady is telling you it is not. It is delicious. It is unisex. Men can wear this. Women can wear this. So it smells caramelly, fluffy, vanillic, floral, sweet, a bit fruity, just a tiny bit fruity. Then as it dries down into this beautiful, woodsy, musky, woody fragrance. Have you ever had a perfume? Oud and caramel, oud and sweetness, oud and florals, oud and musk. Honestly, I'm shocked because I wasn't expecting much from this. I won't lie. I was not expecting much from this fragrance. I thought I was just going to try it out and maybe give a review. I don't know what, you know. But when I smelled it, I'm still shocked. It's a beautiful scent. It's a beautiful scent. So when I wore this and I walked into the room, I already, you know, when I test perfumes, I spray them in my own little space, okay? Then I walk out, you know, I do my thing, wondering whether people around me are going to notice or not. As soon as I stepped into my sister's room, she was like, wow, what perfume is that? It smells like you, sis. I was like, it smells like me. What do you mean it smells like me? She was like, that perfume, I know you try a lot of perfume and you always smell spicy, all sort of smells, but this particular one actually smells like you. You guys. I was like, it smells like me. Okay, yeah, it's totally your vibe. I imagine how you smell like this is exactly what I imagine in your head. I was like, It just smells like you, and then it smells a bit woodsy. Did you add some woody perfume? Are you spraying a woody perfume? I'm like, no, it's just one fragrance that's giving you all of that. Guys, I've never fallen in love with the perfume so bad. She said it smells like me. That means this is my signature scent. What do you think? I like it. I'm gushing too much. I'm gushing. I should not be gushing this much over a fragrance, but it's doing it for me. Oh my god, it's leathery, it's woodsy, it's oozy, it's strong enough, it's floral, it's a bit fruity, a bit sweet, and the caramel comes through. All you caramel perfume lovers, I'm looking for a fragrance that has caramel. Get this, you will love this. El Dorado Extrait from the house of French Avenue. Damn, I need a full bottle. This is good. On your skin, it gives you around 6 to 7 hours on skin, and on clothes, it will give you the entire day. I promise you. Yeah, this one is good. On clothes, you will get the whole 24 hours and then some. By the time you smell it again the following day, you still smell it on your clothes. Maybe not strongly, but you will definitely smell it. But the most important thing about this perfume though is the sillage, is the projection. You step into a room, they smell El Dorado. They smell it on you. It's good. Highly recommend it. No, I should not recommend this to you guys. This is my scent now. This is my sister said it's my signature scent. Should I recommend it? Okay, fine, I recommend it. And the last one is Spectre from the House of Fragrance World. You know Spectre, the one with that bullet entering into a bottle. Oh goodness, it is strong. All you people that like beast mode fragrances, headache inducing fragrances, my ladies that like to wear strong masculine scents, this is your perfume. Go and get it. Just close your eyes, trust me, and jump. Go and get it. Spectre is woodsy, it is spicy, it is woody, it is strong, it is powerful, it is undeniably masculine. I will tell you that this is not giving femininity in any way, shape, or form. So if you like those kind of thing, if you like that kind of fragrance, get on Spectre. Ooh, strong. Me personally, I appreciate the fragrance. I enjoy it because it lasts super long. But I cannot wear this day to day. I'm going to choke myself out. I'm going to choke people around me out. I'm going to give everybody a headache. I'm just going to share headache for all of us because this is super strong, you guys. There's leather in there. There's different kind of woods in there. There's saffron in there. There's incenses in there. There's musk in there. Think of all the heavy hitting notes that you know the Arabian perfume world. You find it in here. It is smoky, incensey, woodsy, spicy, rich, woody, leathery. It packs a punch. It packs a big punch. This will knock you off. This will knock you right off. Like, don't play with me. Don't play with Spectre by Fragrance World. On skin, it does 7 hours conveniently on skin. 7 to 8 hours on your skin. And on clothes, it gives you 2 days on your clothes. Conveniently, easily 2 days on your clothes. You can smell this. You can smell this today. You will still smell it tomorrow. It's a very, very strong scent. Wear with caution. So my ladies and my gentlemen that like this kind of strong, intense fragrances, get your hands on Spectre by Fragrance World. You will love it. And finally, we get to unbox Taskeen Lactea Divina from the House of Paris Corner. I cannot wait. I'm actually excited. I'll try to keep my excitement because in case I get disappointed, I won't feel too bad. I said I was not gonna get too excited, but my excitement is getting the best of me. I'm sorry. Okay, there's a box in a box. Ooh. Okay. Now, personally, I do not like the color green, okay? I'm not a green fan. But the juice. The juice. Please don't disappoint me. I beg you, don't embarrass me, mother. Oh. It's milky, creamy. It smells like butter and a bit of like cocoa or chocolate. It's milky, like really milky, creamy. There must be a lot of vanilla in here because it literally smells like a milk drink. It smells vanillic, milky, very creamy. and a bit of like chocolate or like cocoa butter. You know, like cocoa butter, you know the smell of cocoa butter, we're very familiar with that. I can smell that faintly here. Then I can smell milk, like a lot of milk, heavily milky and creamy. Personally, this is not the kind of fragrance that I like. You know me, you know me. Milky, creamy, overly lactonic fragrances are not my thing. But I feel like in Taskeen Lactea Divina, I can tolerate it. I mean, I'm not gagging yet. I'm not gagging yet. It's a bit sweet. It's not very sweet. It smells to me like a milk. I'm gonna try and find a picture and put it on the screen. Like this milk drink, not the like Viju milk, but not the apple flavored one. Like Nutri milk. Got it. It smells like Nutri milk. You know these flavored milk drinks like Nutri milk? It smells like that, like a very milky, lactonic, a bit sweet, a bit chocolatey, cocoa butter fragrance. Milk is not my thing. Milk is not my thing, but this is tolerable. This is tolerable. It's tolerable, and I'm actually going to give this one a chance to macerate. I feel like something good is going to come out of this. It's heavily milky, heavily lactonic. If you're into that kind of fragrance, you would absolutely love this. But me personally, I don't dig milk fragrances. But this is tolerable. This is tolerable. It's smelling a bit caramelly, safe. This Milko's caramel, sweet, milky candy that we used to have. Not bad. Not bad for first impressions. I will come back, of course. I will come back with a maceration update for you in like maybe 2 or 3 months, and we're going to see whether this will stay or go. But right off the top, it's not nauseating, it's not irritating. It's heavily milky, heavily lactonic, but I think it's going to get better. It's going to get better. The vanilla in there is going to develop, hopefully, make it so much more wholesome to smell on people and on myself. So far, so good. I don't hate it. I don't love it. I'm right in the middle, because I don't like milky fragrances. If that's your thing, you would definitely love this. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. If you stayed till now, please subscribe to the channel. Please, you guys, come on, subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And until next time, mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao.